Kailangan yung marunong mag-English. Kasi kunwari, kung artista na kayo, may karakter kayo na kuan, na magkuan, karakter ng mga English. Kailangan yung malaman yan. You understand me?
Kaya nag-usap kami dalawa lagi para English ako. Tagalog siya.
Yeah, I need to learn Tagalog. Also English.
Help each other, no?
Yep.
Wow! Dautin?
Yeah.
Ah! Grabe yun.
Ate Mera. Nice song, nice song.
Nice, so,
I like it. The voices is very like.
Another day passes by. I'm dreaming of you. You want me to sing to you?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I will sing to you.
Okay.
Okay? All of my dreams and makalimutan ko na this. Makes the dreams come true. Somewhere, somehow, I'll find you, even though it takes all of my life, all of my life. Oh, yeah. You're okay, Jason. But when I finally do, and all inside my heart, I'm close to it.
Okay.
There could be no doubt. I knew it from the start. You are the one that I've been searching for my whole life through. But it will edit the Big Brother house.
Okay.
You are the one that I've been looking for, and now that I've found you, I'll never let you go. I'll hold you in my arms, 'cause you are the one.
Yun.
My voice is good.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Ganda ng kanta niyo.
Beautiful. Beautiful voices. Yeah. Beautiful voices.
Ganda na. Ate Tony yung kanta. Kanta yun, Ate Tony. Another night spent alone. I'm lying in the dark, lying in the dark. I don't know your name, but I know your voice is in my heart. Sweet, sweet melody, a symphony of your love. I know that God want me. I time for you and me to finally be together, 'cause I know we're meant to be. You are the one, you are the one that I've been when we have a show, we sing that.
Yes, so cute.
Laki yung sugat nito, ano?
Because we're out siguro, that's why music we brother like that. You will be missing us.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
But don't worry, we will see each other in the outside world.
So I'm happy to you stay here. I'm so happy. Yeah. I feel happy. We are all happy that you stay here. Yeah. Masaya, masaya.
Masaya.
Masaya. Masaya. Sobrang masaya.
Masaya, Bisaya, ako Bisaya.
Bisaya din. Bisaya.
Maraming mga Bisaya dito na.
Marami Bisaya.
We will inspire you too. And you are inspired. You inspired us too. English. You speak English ka.
Ano sabihin ko siya in English?
Kasi sabihin ko, tulood kita. You translate in English this ha.
Okay.
Gusto kong lumabas at maglibang.
Ako, translate ko. I want to go to outside
At maglibang.
and enjoy.
Wow! You.
Maglibang?
Maglibang.
Maglibang is enjoy?
Yes.
Oh, maglibang.
English it.
I want to go out and also enjoy. Like that.
In Bisaya, maglibang. In Bisaya, maglibang is tae.
Tae?
Diba?
Tae? Really?
Bisaya, you never know. Ma, malibang sa kuma.
Oh, I see.
Okay, one more time. Huwag mo sabihin sa kanya. Huwag mo sabay na lang kayo magsalita para hindi siya magaya sa'yo. Gusto kong balikin ang katawan ko.
I want to good body, like that.
I want to...
Nice.
Ano mo yun?
I want to nice body,
I want to...
a good body, like that.
Gusto kong balikin ang aking katawan.
I want to... Anong ingit ng baliin?
I want to woke up my body.
Broke up?
Woke up.
Work
Work out.
No, work out. Balikin yung...
I want to...
Balikin mo yung katawan mo, yung lawas. Babalikin mo ba? Ganun mo. Anong English no? Hindi nyo
Want
alam. Nasa ilalim ng kama. Ang English naman.
Yung baliin.
Scratch!
Yun, scratch. I want to scratch my body.
Sludge.
Okay, one more time. Gusto kong tumakbo at sumigaw.
Sumigaw.
Sigaw mo nga yung sigaw.
Biglang madilim sa labas.
Hindi nyo alam ang sigaw? Ay, naku.
Kalimutan ko na.
Ako din. Sumigaw. What's that? What is that?
Shout.
Shout.
Oh.
I want to
shout.
shout.
Gusto ko lumabas at sumigaw.
I want to go
Out.
outside
and
and
then
shout.
I want to shout in the outside.
Yun.
I want to shout in the outside.
Gusto kong mambugbog.
I want to...
Mangbugbog. What is mangbugbog?
Hindi
Away-away? Away-away?
Oo.
Like
Tapos so very many,
Suntok-suntok like that?
Bugbog. Anong English ng bugbog?
Bugbog.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Ruin.
No.
Ruin.
I want to ruin your life.
I want to ruin your life.
I want to ruin life.
Bugbog, ha?
Bugbog.
Okay.
Sila pareho lang pala.
Beat.
Pag yun.
Beat. Ganun beat pala. Gusto ko. Ay, hindi na gusto ko. Ano, iba na. Para matuto kayo mag-English ba? Kailangan mabilis kayo, ha? Ay, ganyan kayo. Kung sino pinakaunang ganon, ako ang magpana. Ako ang... Who is the first like that will be the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Will be the first to say the English. Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay na ako! Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay. Pa nyo naman, i-construct nyo muna. Tulungan nyo ako, mamamatay na ako!
Help me.
Yes?
I need to do something because if I don't do that, I will dead. Like that.
Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay na ako. You said, I need something because if I didn't do that, I will dead.
Yeah, like that.
Alam ko na. Help me, I'm going to hell. Ay, mali. Ano? Ay, dead!
Okay!
Ah!
Ano yung XXXX? The right answer is, help me, I'm gonna die. Ano ba yun? I'm going to hell? I'm going to dead. Ano yun?
Going to hell.
Help me, I'm gonna die.
Patay tayo dyan.
Okay, one more time. X-Pump. Say cheat 0 point. Big L 0 point. Okay, one more time. Ay, ang sakit! Yes?
Pain. So pain. Very feel sakit pain. Yeah. Right? Pain.
So your answer is pain. Very pain.
So it's very
Yes?
Ano yung ano?
Ay, ang sakit!
feel pain.
Not pain.
Ouch! Ouch!
Ouch, I like ouch, ouch.
It's hurt!
Very good!
Yes!
May 1 point na si Bigaw.
Oh.
Seichi, 0 points. Seichi, you can do it. Seichi, isipin mo, Seichi. Huwag mo isipin, mahirap talaga kasi English, no? Mahirap talaga English, no? Isipin mo, ouch! Aray, aray! Ouch, ouch! It hurts. Ganon. Ha? Okay.
Sakit.
Okay, meron ka pang lap, pwede ka pang lumaban, Seichi?
Yun.
No. Seichi, bilisan mo sa pagano na. Bigaw, you can do it. Very good. You doing well. Next English is... Wow! Ang sarap! Yes, Seichi?
Oh, very delicious.
Wow! Seichi, you got the right answer. Bigaw, maybe next time. 1 point Bigaw, 1 point Seichi. Go! Ito Ang init! Yes?
It's so hot.
No.
You have to make it faster like that. Seichi, 2 points. Bigaw, 1 point. Pwede pa kayo bumabol. Go. Tulungan mo ko sa mga English, ha?
Sige.
Kaming dalawa?
Patay.
We will continue our
Patay.
English
Our last
language.
English language.
Sandali. May magic kami.
Ano?
Oh.
Upo.
Ganyan mo. Opo. Ganyan mo yung kamay mo. Balance. Ayusin mo. Kasi ito balance.
Hindi ba ayos ang kamay ko? Hindi mo ayos.
Okay, balance. Balance ha?
Uy! Hindi kasi alam mo yung kamay ko, hindi kasi yan po ano eh.
Medyo pangat-angat mo.
Magic ha? Balance. Okay.
Let's go, guys!
Bye-bye.
Okay na mo, kuya! Kuya, okay na! Bye-bye!